Razer BlackWidow V3 Tenkeyless keyboard is a compact mechanical keyboard ideal for gamers and typists. It features a sturdy aluminium top plate, Razer's yellow linear switches, and double-shot ABS keycaps for durability. The per-key RGB lighting, powered by Razer Chroma, offers intensive customization. With Razer's Synapse 3 software, users can rebind keys, set macros, and customize lighting. The keyboard also supports onboard memory for up to 5 profiles. Despite the absence of a wrist rest, the BlackWidow V3 Tenkeyless excels in performance with a 1000 Hz polling rate, anti-ghosting, and N-key rollover, making it a top choice for those seeking a reliable and stylish mechanical keyboard. And now for the all-important sound test.